Now, review, 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 and review. Get your calendar. Here's our assignments now. Get your blank calendar. Decide now, I'm going to adjust to the next structure. Let's say your adjustment is the first Sunday of March. That means in the last of February, I'm going to train all of my present workers. Give my Sunday school calendar from March 1st to August 31st. I'm going to have a new Sunday school calendar August 31st. You got to think this way. Do the work. Get it all together. Now, when you're doing this, fill out your Sunday school calendar, get it ready, put in your big days. Don't worry about it if you don't have your promotions. Run it before the pastor. Get the pastor to work with you. Staff meetings are for this purpose. If it's a lay staff, you say, well, you're assuming everybody here is paid and I got a staff of 12. No, a lot of churches. Do you know that we grew to over 500 in Grand Rapids? And we only had myself on staff. And we had one youth man that was part-time at that point. Tremendous youth man. Did a great job. Now, what happened was this. Everybody else was laymen. I had a choir director, layman. I had my musicians, lay people. I had my congregational song leader, layman. Did a great job. We had all of our people that were working. I had a secretary, which I happen to believe is one of the first people that are needed on full-time staff of a church, is a good, efficient secretary that can really do the job. Now, what happened is we got these people together, we trained them, and I would have to do it at night sometime. That's okay, because it fit them better. You have the planning. Get the people in on the planning for this big day. Tell them about the growth campaign. Get them to understand it. Now I'm going to give you one principle, and we're going to stop this end of this lesson. It's what I call the ripple principle. The ripple principle, great principle of leadership. You drop a rock in the water, and you have a round circle, another round circle, another round circle. The ripples go out. The ripples go out. That's the way we promote. That's the way we introduce a new subject. Get your leaders together. Drop the rock. Sunday school director, the first person for you to get 100% on the page with is your pastor. You go from there to the leaders. You go from there to your workers. And you go from there to the pupils and the whole church. And by taking it out and doing that, everybody's involved, everybody's part of it. You can see now why I'm so excited about this. I mean, this business of keeping people and building the container that will keep the people that come to Christ. Your Sunday school can explode. Yes, it can double, but it can go far beyond that. It can explode if we're willing to make the commitment and pay the price. God bless you. I'm looking forward to our next session together.